Hello students, welcome back in our new session. In this session we will discuss about environment variable. What are the environment variables in the Windows operating system and how they can be accessed by the user. So let's discuss about environment variable. So environment variables are the variables that describes the environment in which the program runs. So environment variable what? Environment variable are the variable that describes the environment in which the programs runs. Okay, so this is the actual working of environment variable. So in Windows environment variable have two things. First is name and second one is, for example, if we talk about WinDIR, it is the short form of Windows directory. So how we can declare it in the environment variable, like C:/Windows and directory. So this is the path of Windows directory. So like that we can set the path in the environment variable. Now we will discuss the types of environment variables. How many types of environment variables exist in the environment variable in the Windows? So basically two types of environment variable. There are two types of environment variable exist. First is user environment variable and second one is system environment variable. If we could, so these are two types of environment variable which exist in operating system, Windows operating system. So when we talk about the user environment variables, so what is the working of user environment variables? So in user environment variables, we can store the complete information about user account, so we can store the complete information about user account and store the location of user profile and store the location of your OneDrive folder where all the data is stored. So these all kind of specific type of data can be stored in the user environment variables. Okay. Now if we talk about the system environment variable, so in system environment variable, their values for all the user accounts are same, or their values are same for all the user accounts. In system environment variable, their values for all the user accounts are same, and their values for and they refer location to the critical system resources where the window is installed. So that is also the responsibility of system environment variables. So both type of environments have the responsibility to maintain and to manage all the kind of operations, all the specific data inside the operating system, that is Windows. Now we will discuss the accessing of environment variable. Then inside the Windows, how we can access the environment variable. How to access the environment variable. So if we talk about Windows 10, then we have to write the environment in the run dialog box, then the system properties, window open to appear. In system properties, we will click on environment variable, click on environment variable, where we will find the two types of environment variables, like user variable and system variable. And in these type of two variables, we can make the changes as per the requirement. For example, if we want to set the path, if we want to change the path, if we want to change the class path or set the class path, so and the locations of any specific location in the Windows, so all kind of changes we can made inside the environment variable. So all these steps we can see in our computer, in our PC. So I will provide you the screen in which we will see the complete process to access the environment variable one by one. So this is our screen, and in this screen we have seen here, this is a run box. Here we will type environment variable. environment. So now there is two options. One, we can directly click on enter button, or second, we will click on this edit and system environment variable. So I will click on enter button. So when I will click on the enter button, then you can see this is the system properties. In this property, we have so many options like computer name, hardware, advanced, system protection, and remote. So the tab of advanced is opened. In this we find here the environment variable. So we click on this environment variable. Here we have seeing the two windows. First is user variable for system, that is HP, and second is system variable. So now we can change here by applying some other paths and class paths. Like if we talk about the paths, so in system variable, here we can select the path and we can click on edit button. Here these all are the system related paths already been set. So if I want to set another path, then I will click on the new button and we will just paste here that path. So that path come from the location where our program or our file is stored, and we will click just OK button. So just like this we can apply and we can simply set our path and class path for the particular program. So that was the complete information about the environment variable and what are the environment variable and how we can access the environment variable to make some required changes in our Windows. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.